Great, oh my gosh. Many CTP opportunities today. I made almost 600 on my funded account. I also FOMO'd in the second account. I won't do it again. You know me. Sometimes I'm a human, right? Sometimes not. Sometimes I'm a human. Can you guys hear me? Okay, great. Maybe I can share my screen with you until Mustafa is ready. Or are you ready, Mustafa?
Um, Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can now. It's still calculating my chart, so I don't know. It takes little time. I have no idea why.
Okay.
Okay.
I would remove it and make sure the trigger points are showing, and then uh,
Okay.
uploading uh, uploading it again. I can share my screen with you in the meantime. I
Yes,
hope you
please.
guys can see.
Until I fix it.
No problem. So it was tempting for me to go short here beforehand, but I could see that RTY is respecting its support level, so I didn't go short here. Actually, RTY kept me from a bad trade if I went short here, as you can see. Um, I'm using the CTP indicator when I'm not near the computer, but if I'm in front of the screen, um, I just read 4 charts simultaneously. But this is a great indicator. We are building an automatic strategy based on its signals, and the CTP students will have access, and they are going to help me by beta testing it soon. Okay, so right now the market just opened 5 minutes ago. Let me see if I have a question from you guys. Just I want to make sure that I don't miss any question. Yeah, exactly. So Ram, you're a great CTP student. By the way, I sent you a feedback to your homework you submitted. Great job, Ram. Yeah, never go. You're welcome. Never go against RTY. Never. Because the volatility is very low for RTY, it tends to respect almost every level. You can see here RTY here. It moves between the trigger points. I'm always amazed when I look at the reaction of RTY. Because of the low volatility, it's easier for RTY to respect the trigger points. Let me show you. Okay. Um, Almost 100% of the levels are being respected by RTY when considering the first touch rule. So RTY has been my leading indicator. I will never go against it. I can tell you that many of my losing trades were because I went against RTY. It hit resistance and I went long, and it was a very bad trade. I trade NQ mostly. It's the volatility of NQ is very high, so it's risky to go against RTY. Okay, so now you can see that RTY respected its support. NQ was below the support. NQ also respected its support, as you can see. Guys, the first touch rule has been powerful considering these levels, as long as there are no contradictions with other correlated instruments. Okay, so RTY hit its support level when or didn't contradict ES, so this first touch held. Mustafa, how are you?
I'm still here looking at the chart to show up.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Right now, I can see that YM uh, is respecting uh, the support levels, and Q is somewhere in the middle. Uh, just a second, guys. I'll move to 1 minute time frame. I can better understand the reaction on 1 minute time frame. Okay, right now what I see is the following. Okay, we have ES here in the middle. We have YM and we have RTY, and there's a resistance for NQ right now that does not contradict with RTY and YM. However, RTY is at support. Okay, so RTY is at support between resistance and between support. Therefore, it might be risky to go short on NQ. I don't like this setup because to me, RTY contradicts NQ a little. It may work still because it can be considered first touch rule for NQ because the market just opened and when considering when defining first touch rule according to where the last session opened, so we can say that this is the first touch rule. I don't like trading on contradiction, but right now we can see that RTY broke its support. So if NQ was here, I would go short on NQ here. Okay, I missed it. That's fine. Okay, so until now, I wouldn't take any trades because when NQ was at its resistance, RTY was at its support, and I never go against RTY. I wait for RTY to break its support to go short on NQ. This is fine. It wasn't the case a few minutes ago, so I'll wait for another opportunity. The best opportunities for me, guys, is when the instruments hit newly visited levels for today. So right now, this resistance and this support became resistance has already been visited. So I'm waiting for a new line to hit to take my trades. Let's look at ES. ES is somewhere in the middle here. I consider ES, it's not contradicting any trades and it is not confirming anything because it's in the middle. It can go either direction. So to me, right now, the relevant instruments to look at are NQ, RTY, and YM. Okay, so you can see, okay, good. So we can see right now that NQ is respecting its resistance. YM is at a strong area of support, contradicting to me. I'm waiting. So Mustafa, you can show our audience your CTP strategies and how you utilize the CTP indicator toolkit. And I'm here, guys, to answer your questions. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Dr. Queen. You see, session starts. It's called Super CTP indicator. It's one of our new toolkit, the CTP indicators. You see, it's very powerful, and I tend to use it usually. Gives this spine. I saw this, so you can see this like 1 to 3 minutes before because I use the 5 minutes. I'm not using the 1 minute. Why I'm using the 5 minutes? It's more clear direction for me to decide if the price can settle somewhere. This is how I trade it. So everyone is free to trade the way he is. I like to trade the ES or the micro ES. I'm using 10 points as take profit. Okay, because I missed this opening trade and this opening confirmation, I'm not gonna jump into any trade right now. So we need to read the levels of the other instruments, and then we move ahead and decide what we wanna do.
I just went short on NQ off the level,
Okay, 19,863. Yes,
and I'm going out right now because RTY is hitting support.
exactly. Yes, thank you.
I'm afraid of, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm afraid of it. It's a strong
Nice for the
policeman.
RTY.
Yeah, yeah, but I already caught 20 points on NQ. That's great. Enough.
Of course, yes.
I'm not going against RTY. NQ is and NQ is following everything. Okay, he's not an adult. He's a small kid.
Same for the other ones.
You see, by the way, you saw, guys, I exited the short position at the exact timing before NQ reversed on me. And now it went to the downside. Okay, beautiful reaction.
Yes, and if you see that it went down to the downside to the tick.
Yeah, I exited 20 points. I'm happy.
Now, who cannot be happy with have 20 points? Oh, thank you.
The market is very volatile. I can see that RTY, ES, and NQ. You didn't get a long signal from the correlation. Oh,
I
okay?
got
Because
it
YM.
5 minutes. Yes,
No, no,
five
no, no.
minutes ago.
Right
You
now.
mean now? Right
Yeah,
now? No,
yeah. Because you look at the four instruments and YM didn't
exactly.
hit its
Yes.
support. If you use the multiple correlation, you would get a long signal here on NQ. It's fine.
I prefer the Super CTP because it does the work for me. Because
Yeah, yeah.
usually
It's very powerful.
yeah, I consider the four instruments every time.
Okay, great. I also, I mean, sometimes it's enough for me that one of them does not contradict, not necessarily confirm, but not contradict. I can see that they want to break to the downside right now. NQ struggles, ES also. Both are at support, but they want to break.
Okay, because we got two previous signals, so I think hold how far it will hold.
They want to break. The profit target would be the next trigger point of the closest, which is unfortunately RTY, just a few points. Or okay, now it's
19
okay. Now it's a good short opportunity. RTY is breaking. Yes, YM also. So I just move my stop loss to break even, but I believe that they want to go down. Okay, the entry was NQ's golden line. Okay, break even. That's fine, but it wants to break.
see.
Okay, NQ wants to break its golden line, guys.
Yes,
Again.
is heading to zero, so we gotta be patient.
Yeah, the profit target on NQ is the next, sub 4 probably. Target hit.
Yes.
And it's going to break again, but we wait for RTY to break. RTY didn't break. We don't go short from support 4 of NQ. Don't do it, guys. We don't go short of support 4 on NQ until RTY breaks its support. Yeah, patient. It might work. I don't go against RTY. I'm waiting for it to break.
Interesting. 15 minutes range now.
Okay, the reason NQ struggles is because RTY support.
Sub 3 at RTY. And I believe, yes, gonna break. But it's resistant because it's the same line for NQ. Two close lines for NQ, sub 5 and sub 6. Same thing for ES. Mhm.
But what a beautiful short opportunity, since I told you guys that I can see that they want to break. You could also see that when the correlated instruments hit their support, this short trade was,
It's little mouse now.
yeah, I call it a retest, but
Yes.
But I could see that there's a strong pressure to the downside. I just don't go against RTY,
I agree. I totally agree.
but I will wait for it to break.
Still, yeah,
Yeah,
there's a
right.
high confirmation. Yeah.
Exactly. Now I'm going long on RTY of support 5.
You wanna wait
No
until it
RTY.
reaches not
Sorry, NQ.
1960? Yeah, okay. NQ, yes, makes
NQ,
sense.
NQ, yes,
Yes.
support 5. Okay, I stopped out, guys. Yeah, they contradict, but RTY wants to go up. So a few points on NQ going long might be working good. Yeah, I'm buying NQ of sub 6 uh, for a few points.
Let's see.
I'm going out with $100 right now.
Rates in total for NQ. 20, I have 5.
Yeah, and I
Total.
had losing trade. Okay, I'm trailing my stop loss on NQ right now. I want to see someone. RTY is hitting its resistance. That's it. Okay, I'm out. I got the losing trade back. So in total, I'm in green.
That's
Yeah. Yeah. Went long on support 6. Went out.
fine. You know, there's too many lines, so I stepped out.
Yeah. Can you see my screen, guys? Or you can't? Sorry if you can't.
You're seeing line.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
went long on support 5. It didn't work. I stopped out. I could see that RTY wants to go up. ES is respecting its support. NQ wanted to hit its magnet, which is sub 6. It was my second entry and it worked out nicely. Overall, I'm in green in this account today. I'm waiting for another opportunity. Honestly, guys, I want NQ to break, but I need triple confirmation to go short on NQ. So maybe I won't get confirmations, and that's fine. I won't go short. But if I get confirmation to go short on NQ, I will go. Probably I won't get confirmation, and that's fine.
Said before was fake
They want to go up.
one. Yes,
Yep.
to sub 2 and then sub 1. This is the probability for R2Y sub 2.
Mhm. Yeah, that's fine.
And
So we don't
then
go short on NQ.
now, at least,
No, no, probably not soon. I don't know. Let's see.
I'm waiting for confirmation before instruments.
You get a buy signal from the indicator.
Not yet.
Okay. Yeah, I don't like 60 ticks is usually not what I'm doing. For 40 ticks. 40 ticks is my stop loss for NQ. Let's see. Now RTY is respecting its support. ES is in the middle between support and resistance. YM hit its resistance. The reason it's risky for me to go short on NQ, guys, is because ES has a support level here and RTY has a support level here. However, the support for RTY is far away. Yeah. And ES wants to break its support.
Go short now. And
Might be a trap because again, support. YM reacts because these are significant levels, so we expect that they react, but this might be a trap, and I don't go short here, guys.
you see now, things are bouncing
Mhm,
side. So
mhm.
please wait.
Yeah, yeah, it's not. I'm not
No,
going
I mean,
to
I'm
sell.
talking to them.
Mhm.
September.
Exactly.
These trends, you can think as much as you could.
Exactly.
Cool.
All of them want upside. So I check it
Okay.
out here most of
So
all.
I'm
I
still.
went long here beforehand and I chickened out.
Why?
Yeah, I mean, okay, I would stop out if I didn't chicken out, so it's fine.
I'm curious because the process is too high.
Yeah.
Keep going up.
Not at the moment.
Oh,
Um,
within the coming 5 minutes, most
I
likely. Yeah. To- 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 with students, little move from R to I is equivalent lots of points from NQ
yes,
to
exactly.
YM, and I don't know, it doesn't have the same capital as others.
Yeah. I prefer newly visited lines. You saw, guys, when I went long here, I stopped out after NQ respected its support, and then this trade worked out nicely. This is one reason I like newly visited lines. I also went short here, and it was a good trade. Right
And
now,
during
it's yeah. Sorry.
say that the beautiful thing about the CTP that everything moves together. So if we are reaching four of them, three of them at least, at the same time to a certain line, that's a big probability. It's gonna do the what the price action do.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
either
Right now, RTY broke its resistance, um, bounced off the other resistance, but they want to go to the upside, guys. I would look for long entries again, as long as there are no contradictions. Meaning,
we have
yeah,
the
yeah, not now.
support, it's a struggle with the RTY. Recommend to wait until it breaks top two, and I go for green test on the top two.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, because right now it's respecting its resistance. YM has also a resistance line here, so patient. Yes, also is respecting its
Exactly,
resistance.
same thing for NQ. So it would
Yeah,
be
just to wait, not to go short because the market wants to do that to the upside, and not to go long because it's not the right timing.
still
The short, yeah,
still It is a trap.
It's not a trap. It's the behavior of the markets when they hit resistance and support. Guys, no one wants to trap you, okay? Really, Mustafa, I don't believe in it. No one wants to trap you.
I'm not saying that
RTY hit
someone,
its resistance,
the
so it
previous
reverses. Sorry. Yeah,
and
yeah. I mean,
NQ at the same
yes,
time, the same ES, but it's within the middle, or it's within the range of the
yeah,
opening.
yeah,
So it's
guys.
still
But
not
no one.
telling us a clear direction.
Yes, but no one wants to trap you. The reason they went down a little is because of resistance lines here. Okay. No one is watching Mustafa's stop loss to hit it.
No, I didn't have even an order yet, so no one cares.
Many resistance lines for RTY and many support lines for ES.
You see, the NQ just break the golden line. ES is breaking the golden line. Now RTI is going to break the sub two upside.
And then YM is hitting its resistance.
Exactly. That's why I was saying, I feel it looks like a trap, this candle.
Okay?
That's right.
Yeah, the market wants to go
Wants
to
to
the
go.
upside.
Yes. Yes.
But for NQ traders, these what you call traps are dangerous. Okay, so if you take responsibility, maybe don't trade NQ in such setups. I don't know. Eh, it's according to your preferences.
I would always love to trade in Q in one condition. When I have big gap between the lines, okay, in his first touch and daily ATR.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Yeah. The first touch is working nicely on NQ
For NQ.
for all of them, but yeah.
For me, NQ is very challenging because if I trade NQ, that means I will exposing to myself a big drawdown, and I don't want to do this. For CTP, indicator is a magic, doctor.
It's not a magic. I move the market according to its signals. Okay. Yes, RTY, you are a strong policeman.
A few points here.
Careful of going long on NQ, guys. It might break its support and trap you because of RTY.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, but the market wants to go to the upside. Yeah,
I would go.
when
Right.
RTY breaks. Yeah,
It's already break sub two. Okay. It's not gonna break sub one easily because there is a lot of resistance bars. Okay. So we might be facing a little bit of bounce.
Okay, DS has no resistance lines.
Yes.
Wait, YM broke, RTY broke.
You say trap you, zoom. We're speaking about the candle. Previous candle, in the beginning of the candle of the 5 minutes, it was going down. So for me, I wasn't feeling like it's the right direction because everything is moving up.
Yeah, the market wants to go to the upside. Um, I'm waiting for NQ either to break the resistance and go long or retest this line. I'm waiting a little to see um, what the markets want to do right now. There are no news coming, right?
It's not. It's not.
Another possibility is that all of them will hit resistance together, Mustafa.
Preferential. No, really, because I have previous signal
Okay.
CTP. So if it's gonna go a little bit expansion, it's gonna reach to sub one because we had a previous short signal from the super CTP. That means there
Uh-huh.
is uh, resistance at these levels. So it
Okay.
will be high. So that's why I placed my order at sub one. Yes. So my
Okay.
belief now it's gonna,
Mhm.
yeah, high probability it's gonna hit back up to the upside, retested this area.
Um, to me, they want to go to the upside, and Q may retest. Um, I moved to micros right now and not minis
Okay, that's good.
because there's a probability of hitting this support by NQ, and I don't want to take the risk. I move to micros. That's fine. Um, and maybe my order will not get filled. Yeah, if my order will get filled.
Don't think
No,
so.
I don't think
With
so.
with this movement to the upside, it's very hard. Yes, there's a lot of
Let me move the
buyers
market.
yeah.
Let me move the market. I'll try to hit my order. By the way, beforehand, the
You
losing
already
trade
did.
I had, mm,
You already did. You already plot a signal for me at sub two, at ES, at sub six, at NQ. I mean, it was a long signal. So long
okay.
time we have these signals. Okay, if I stay in this signal for NQ, for example, at 755, now
Yeah, I mean, I went short here, Mustafa, and I went long here, and I had a
we'll be
losing
having
trade
like
here.
almost 100 point now on NQ.
I went short here, Sorry, I went long here, and short here. Okay. I think I'm a good trader, Mustafa. Yeah, you
You
need to
are very
admit.
good to see in my life. Not only good.
And guys, I have losing trades, and you've just seen it. Okay, that's fine. That's part of the game.
We have the big some.
I want it to break. Come on, it will. When? Oh, oh, it was my mistake. I didn't do it. No, but already.
Just take the stop loss a little. Yes, exactly. That's it.
It was a mistake, guys.
Okay. Remove it again. Good.
Mm, yeah,
Yes.
too late. It might be too late. Guys.
No, it will keep going up.
I'm out.
Okay.
No, 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 I'm out because they are bouncing off resistance. Not now.
Still bouncing. Yes, it's still going up, so they are all gonna follow. Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Told you I'm afraid of RTY. And you see,
Okay.
it was a good idea to move to micros.
Yes.
Sometimes you need to do risk management like this to move
Okay.
to micros.
Okay. It's you are trading 25 accounts, right?
Right
Like
now? Yeah,
so we are have to follow the consistency rule.
I know, I know. Yeah,
Yes.
I know. That's fine. I don't follow the consistency rule. I'm in a big
Okay. Can
trouble.
you just move the yes, move it to 15 points?
That's
Why?
it. That's it. Why?
Okay.
Look at RTY. Look where RTY is.
This is going up. They are all going up.
No, they're going to bounce back. No,
Not
I'm not.
now.
I'm not going long when RTY is hitting its resistance. That's fine. Oh, NQ is going to no. Okay, $20 I made, right? Or $30 on micros
Yeah,
between.
it's good to say that you can make the in 1895. Sorry, 80. 1895 is good. You did it. So 10, 15 points early.
I think more than $20 with one micro. That's great.
It's perfect. Yes. So still stand down. Okay.
Not a good timing to go long. I exited the right timing. And the reason is because ES is hitting its resistance, RTY and YM is bouncing, struggling, but let's see. Too many resistance lines on ES right now.
Yes, but the momentum is high. Faster. and push matrix. This was good.
Yeah, I like this distance and I like this distance. The problem is ES right now.
I stop on on the
So Anchor is going to consolidate here. No sharp movements are expected on NQ. So if you're scalpers and you
yeah.
like to catch a few ticks like Domonkosh, you can trade here. I'm staying out. Okay, YM is hitting its resistance. Yes, the same. NQ is the same. RTY is in the middle.
Yes, but I think we're still heading backward a
Yeah,
little
but
bit.
not now. Not now. They are going to consolidate a little. It will not happen now. Okay, right now RTY does not contradict any direction for me because it's far away from resistance and support. So right now I'm not afraid of RTY. It looks like Mustafa that one of these lines are going to hold for a short position again. Micros only, guys.
Let's move it up to sub-zero.
Yeah. Mm,
So sub-zero is going to sub-one to ES.
let's see. I'm waiting for the exact timing. I'm going with micro, so it's okay.
Yes, yes. Choose another account. This one is 580 and the daily target is 600.
Because I'm with micros, it's fine. And a good timing to go short. Okay. You see, they consolidate, and the reason is because there's a strong zone of resistance here on ES, and
And Q is sub 2 and sub 1.
Yeah, yeah. It will take time for NQ to break resistance or support. It will take time. Thank you, Rob. Awesome. About what? About the losing trade I had before? I'm kidding. Um,
Jeremy is asking me how many ticks are your TP and SL? 5 ticks, sorry, 20 ticks for stop loss and 40 ticks for take profit.
on NQ?
No, on
Oh,
ES.
okay.
Mustafa is moving the market. Thank you, Murray. I'm trying. I learned from the best. So moving up. Wait,
Think will happen here soon, guys. So, Mustafa, do you have a joke to tell me?
um, I'm not that kind of tell jokes. It is funny enough today.
Okay, I see a short trade coming when RTY will hit this resistance, but I don't
Exactly.
know what equivalent line will be.
Something.
You think so? Maybe,
100%. Yes.
maybe. Let's
Let's see. Top one for top one for ES.
okay. Maybe
Yeah, maybe.
there might be a few more than one equivalent line.
I totally agree. But we have implications. Now you see the first 5 minutes that had sub two was the high was how much? 19,909. The second one, the second candle was less one tick. Third candle is less one tick. I'm waiting for the third candle to break up with one tick even. But now it's not moving. So we're still
Yeah,
calling this is
I'm waiting for
the
NQ to
candle of
break to
truth.
go to buy. Yeah, I'm waiting for NQ to break to buy. Uh, but I need to see what the other instruments are doing when this happens.
Percent, percent.
to break the resistance.
The funny thing that's each time NQs is trying to break the resistance, it goes down like 20 points. That's a
That's
profit
the
target for
problem.
some people. Yes, that's a profit target for me. It's like I can make three times 20 points whenever time it hits this line before it breaks.
I'm getting ready to buy, but I am going to time my entry according to what YM and ES are doing. And I'm with micros, guys, so my stop loss may be more than 40 ticks, and I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
Waiting for ES to break its resistance, and then I will turn my stop loss.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
You can go a little lower for the profit target below
Yeah,
the yes. No, not that much. I mean, uh, raise two above raise one even. Yes, exactly.
I'm going to trade. I don't know what the profit target will be. Um, okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. With $130 on minis, right?
It's
Or more than that. About 150.
it's 167 now.
Okay.
Very strong.
Yeah. Uh, what?
Sleeping.
No, the
You know?
market wants to go up, and I will go up with
Mhm.
you.
This one, okay. And mhm.
Trying to take the break of support one with micros.
Just two texts. You missed. You didn't fill me by two texts.
I'm moving my stop loss because to me it's just a retest before going up.
Uh, Today, there's a lot of people get ready for sell the news event
Oh,
when the
okay,
first
okay,
trade will announce. Okay,
okay.
what time is this news today begin?
What time? In 20 minutes?
Why did we say
Okay.
Clark's factory? Mentioned this factory is built. But this is does anyone knows if there is news today from the White House? See, Doctor, ES, just two texts to someone where I place my order.
Uh, place to go short?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You see this when it should be like reaching this level, it should be reaching the same thing for RTY, and NQ is already within the consolidation zone, so it's gonna hit one of these lines. Same thing for YM.
I'm waiting for NQ to break to trail my stop loss. Thank you. Thank you. Now, when I trade with micros, I allow myself to trade like the Monkosh.
It's a different for the traders.
Guys, the
Really,
Monkosh got payouts from Apex about $30,000. So yeah, he's very consistent. His trades are.
it's this
Oh,
whole trend in last 2 weeks just seems a lot of traders like got trapped or sell the news when the announce will happen. It's just White House announce it will happen this week. If this happens, yes, the market will go short. It's true.
mm, he-
He's a kid,
I
as you
don't want
said.
another losing trade today. I really don't know. I don't want. Mustafa,
But
please move the market for me. I can't trade
candle,
in.
yes. Next candle. Not this one. It's gonna go up.
Maybe a little.
Yes. Yes. Give this to the doctor. Mm. Oh, I know.
1 DCA for sure. Maybe I will stop out.
Not if
No,
ES,
no, I'm not going to this.
yeah, I'm saying if ES breaks down the two bars before, yes, you can step out.
Mhm.
It's going up, so why you would step out?
Um, I don't think I will, but let's see.
Just give it a little time.
Guys, I'm not going to move it.
I will for her. 9 seconds. We can count down now.
No, Nasdaq. I want to try my stop loss, Nasdaq. Please break res 2 and I will rail. Come on.
Raise two.
Yeah, yeah. I will trail when it breaks. Res 2 or
Yeah, that's sub-zero.
maybe. Maybe it's not.
Just-
Maybe. Maybe. Yeah.
I know where it's gonna stop.
Guys, I stopped out with a few ticks. I don't have time for this shit right now. Sorry. But you are right, Mustafa. It was a great profit target.
Exactly, yes.
But I'm in green, guys. I had one losing trade with you
Already, and
and
then
five winning trades, five or four.
and you already reached 600. You shouldn't exceed 600 to keep the consistency rule for TFD. Sorry for Tradify.
That's correct.
What I'm saying, switch to another account with low PN.
I have to get a username and password. I need to find it out. These are not my accounts. I manage a few accounts. The companies and my account. Right now, the direction is not so clear to me. Oh.
It's teasing me. Guys, if you really follow the CTP signals, I mean the super CTP that I'm using from the toolkit, the entry for NQ was the yes, exactly. You see here the lowest green one.
You, Jeremy, I don't like it when the trades take so long. I'm impatient. I mean, guys, I took 30 trades today on different accounts, so please
Okay.
understand my feelings.
So
It's
you
not
can
easy.
see
Yeah, yeah, it's not easy for me. There are days in the week when I trade 12 hours, different accounts. Not easy.
full-time job. No, it's, you know. So you see, this signal was at 55, okay, and so it's before the new hour after 30 minutes exactly. And you see here, it catch the bottom, catch the lower. It's 5 minutes before the
SIM account. Uh,
Mhm.
yeah, um, but not MNQ. I want to take the break. Okay, I FOMO'd a little. I FOMO'd a little with one mini. Oh, can't do it again. Okay.
You should check your emails because you should be having it so you can check. Um,
It's yeah, it's on the course. You will have access. It's on part 3 of the course. If you proceed with the lessons, you will get access to the toolkit.
the says multiple correlation cell signal for NQ was on sub-zero. He got out with 400 profit.
Perfect.
Thank you, man, for confirming my entry before it happens.
I'm going to hold this short. It's gonna last long.
Um, Suggest to get out at three, sub three, yes.
See,
Things are very well laid out, easy to understand. Thank you. It's Rob. So we need to talk about the risk management on and psychology as well. Who the man talking? Sorry, I'm new. My name is Mustafa Gawad. It's iPad. What's your name, please? So I can say it.
um, I hope you enjoy the course and you learn
Let's
from
see.
mistakes and also from the good trades.
This is my name on Discord. So Mr. Ghost or Mrs. Ghost. I don't know.
Guys, the reason I hold this short trade and I DCA a little is because I expect them to retest their resistance. That's why I DCA. And the reason I hold this short position is because I believe they want to break to go to the downside at this point. So maybe my order will get filled, maybe not. My order? No. You can do it if you want. It's following.
If you want to get filled, that's what I'm saying.
I will. And if not, that's
It
great.
will go your direction, of course. So both ways, you're winning. What is the name of the indicator, and would it be in the email with the rest? Can I only find it in the lessons? No, you should be get this email with the super CTP indicator where you can download it, which I got and everyone got the same. And as well, you can find it in the lesson. So it's called super CTP.
Yeah, it's available for CTP students, and it's you can access to it if you go through the lessons. It's on part 3.
To be to the membership students and can be used in the journal view as well because the limitations. trading view capabilities, so it's not a trading view, so only the trader. So, not student, I just paid for membership. Okay, it is. Are you talking about the membership of EG indicators, trigger point, or mentorship? He says, I'm not a student, I just paid for membership, just the indicators. Okay. I believe in this case, you need to reach out to Gambling Man. He can help you with the addition. He keeps telling you, Doctor, ever since I got CTP mentorship, my confidence through the roof. Even losing trades can be managed before it turns to big loss.
That's correct.
Yes, that's true.
Oh,
Yes.
it's tricking me.
You see,
Yeah, I'm waiting for ES to break this support zone to trail my stop loss.
right.
So I'm out. I will get the money back, guys. I'm confident about it, and you will see it in a minute.
Usually, it's
This is a dangerous zone. Um,
it's a question for everyone who's trading. Is irrelevant when it comes to consistency. I'm saying how many days you are green. The doctor in one talking about, we are talking about that how many days within the 20 days of the trading during the month you are in green. 2/3 a week on average. That's mean like it's 2, 3 week on average, 2/3 of the week. For example, you are winning ratio. Zero to you can
RR?
yeah. You get, for example, today when 3 days make little loss. Okay, depends, but he's still in green in total, as I understand. Okay, but the one says not chasing because he's not using fixed stop loss and fixed take profit. Sure, this way it's like 40%. So I believe if he's in green, that means his RR is above 3 times or 3 multiply. 2 to 3 multiply. Thanks for being with us. The levels are really amazing. And it's something you get every single day before the market, the New York open 10 hours ahead. So you have like 10 hours to plan your trades according to the previous market transaction. That's what I do usually. Sure, to have new possibility. And try the next try.
So what do you think? I'll get the money back on my SIM account? I'm down 265. What do you think, guys? Will I? Mustafa, what do you think? Well,
So,
I'm
uh,
down to I'm
okay.
down 265 on my SIM account, and I want
Okay.
to get the money back.
So
Mhm.
there's now the market is moving. So same trade.
On your SIM account?
No, that's Jeremy saying this. I sure hope so because I'm the same train. We all hope, man. Just do the same as the doctor. Put another contract on this green loop. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm doing it on a SIM account, right? Guys, I do not DCA on micro on minis. Okay, only micros. This is the SIM account, so just
Jeremy, what is your entry price? And so you're like 5 points higher than the doctor, I guess.
it doesn't look like I'm going to get my money back, guys.
Yeah. Just be patient. Don't fully. It's actually trigger point.
Don't do it. Don't do it, guys. Not with minis. Okay.
Back down again is gonna be back to sub 4. Thank you. If it breaks this sub 3, so hopefully doesn't break this candles where the doctor is. Be nice and move up. So I don't pay for mentorship. I don't have access to the indicators. I'm sorry, I had a call. Okay, doctor, can you please clarify if there is uh, any kind of subscription to these indicators without the mentorship?
Best thing is just open a ticket on our website and you'll get all the information. Um, we need to understand whether you're referring to the trial plan or what exactly. So
Yeah,
yeah, so
it's not just a membership, full membership. So
yeah,
they have membership to
Guys, pray for me. I need more 300 to get back what I lost.
Okay. I think if you want this, you need to move it, which you can't reach 300. This is like 1,000. Second membership. Okay, can you please uh, specify what is the membership exactly you paid for?
Guys, pray for me.
Uh,
I did these were dangerous trades I took, okay? Uh if I do it on micros, not on minis.
Yes, I believe we have full lesson in CTP warning us about these zones.
Yeah.
Hey, so it's 1 year with all indicators checked. No, these indicators are not including the CTP indicators. CTP is totally different thing.
All right. 2030 to go, guys. I'm waiting for a better entry than this consolidation zone, and I'll get the money back today. Guys, on Discord, are you praying for me?
Let's get out of this choppy zone so our prayers can be answered. No, this choppy zones doesn't let our prayers goes to the God. It's preventing it.
Yeah, correct.
We should share these levels. Too many indicators of confusion. Section. Alright.
Feels like everyone waiting for tomorrow, uh, for the announcements of the interest. Like nothing significant will happen until then.
I agree, but I believe that they previously.
We don't know when. Right now, the
Yeah,
market
that's
is
what they, yeah,
consolidate.
yes, that's what Begin is saying. Is saying that announcement.
Oh, okay.
The FOMC announcement of the interest rate. The White House, I don't know when it's gonna happen.
If it goes down, the market will go down. Same thing happened before. It's not gonna go up.
Yeah,
Guys,
in this
this is a
line,
dangerous zone right now.
yeah.
Okay, you can see there are many levels. All of them are respected as support and resistance and support and resistance. This is a dangerous zone. It's not a good timing to do anything. Okay, ES needs to break this zone. Yeah,
Yes. Thing-
the problem is that it retests the support and the resistance. So you don't know where it's going to break.
No, if it
But
breaks
because
the
the
previous low, yes, the probability is high.
yeah,
Yeah, that's all. But now it's
the,
going within the range. Yes, as you said, it's dangerous.
In
yeah,
my
it's
view,
it's dangerous.
yeah, in my view, a long, uh, taking a long is risky. No,
Exactly.
even if it's gonna
There's a
happen, even if it's gonna happen, it's gonna be risky.
Risk. Yes.
Yeah.
right. What I like here, there's a large room here down underneath,
Yep.
and that's why I want to go short, but not now, guys. Only when ES breaks and Y
Yeah,
and PXC
resist.
support.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, not now. Not to go long of this zone, wait for ES to break, and only go short of this zone. If it happens and if it doesn't happen, then nothing. So I'll probably want to get the money back on my SIM, but let's see, maybe.
How much temperature?
I need 230.
Okay. Uh, this top one for the third time.
Yeah.
Lucky says, Link, you get out of the dangerous zone. Let our goddess show us the magic. Says, so 1 year with all indicator checked. So I have to pay more to get the indicator here too. It's because these indicators are in the mentorship I'm using, which is the CTP indicators or the CTP toolkit. And for the
I told you I'm not going to go long, but ES wants to break and YM wants to break.
it's very tempting, yes.
Yes. And RTY still is still not at resistance. So maybe for a few
Yes.
points.
That's why you see that it's engagement.
Exactly.
These are 5 minutes or 1 minute.
And all of them are 1 minute. Where?
This one that you just did now, it's good.
Yeah, I know, because I asked you guys to pray for me.
Yeah, now
Oh,
our prayers are heard.
come on.
It's heading up.
Rami, it's you? But you're moving the market for me, Jeremy.
Still on the tree, Jeremy? Yeah. Says, why don't you get out RTY sub-zero?
I'm out, but I need 125 back. I didn't notice RTY. I saw that the NQ is struggling. That's why I went out with a small profit. But I need more 125, guys. Help me.
Who think it's gonna move in which direction?
Your question was great. I didn't notice RTY. That's one problem with trading. You are focused on your trade. You don't notice what's happening on other instruments. If I had the CTP indicator, maybe I would get a short signal. I'm not sure.
You know, is sub one first time.
Okay.
If you can share my screen, should- who's the higher one? What's the current nine? Who's the previous one? careful in the trade we have. Group here says, can I buy the indicator without becoming a student?
You don't want to be my student? Really?
Yes, saying this.
Um, yes, please open a ticket and we will guide you. Right. I did it. Guys, I did it.
You always did it.
Not always.
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to give up.
I, you know, I've seen you do things before, like missing 6 accounts in one day. So it was amazing. Maybe it was 3 accounts, and you were trading everyone alone.
Maybe I don't remember. They were not my account.
It was 6 accounts, as in
Yeah,
stimulations.
right.
So yeah, it was very slowly. St-
Gu- Guys, I went from 235 red to 235 green.
Traders.
3 risks. This is risky, guys. Okay. If I DC, I only do it on micros when I'm certain in the direction and not more than 3 contracts. Okay. I prefer not to do it, but sometimes if I'm certain in the direction, I do it. Yeah, exactly. With CTP, it's easier to get the money back, especially because you feel confident that the next trade will have a high probability of success. So it's easier to wait patiently even after you lose a trade because there's a high chance that the next trade will be successful. Yeah, I feel the same, Lucky. I exactly the same. Most if I was down 500.
Yes. I-
And it was expected, honestly, guys. This is a dangerous zone, and the beauty of the trigger points is that you know about this dangerous zone ahead of time. Okay, the levels were here. Uh,
But it's
yeah, the
within
levels were
within
here 10 hours ago. You could anticipate that it's going to be a dangerous zone and move to micros trying to read the price action where the market wants to go, or don't take any trades when you see zones like this. Okay, these are two approaches. One approach is moving to micros, and another approach is to wait for the market to leave the dangerous zone. In my case, I took trades on this danger zone. I had to DCA a little, and I'm in green right now.
So if you can manage the position,
When the markets are leaving dangerous zone, you expect acceleration, like you saw here, acceleration to the upside. Okay, RTY is also about to accelerate. And that's why I like to trade out of these zones. The trades are shorter. I mean, you saw I was in an active position. It was too long for me to hold positions. And this is because it was a dangerous zone where I had to manage my risk and
so third retest for FTY is 0.
what do you think, Mustafa? Mm.
I think I use my
Buy
select
it, sell, really?
five, okay, and I would leave this because this is the big launch.
The markets want to go up. I wouldn't look for,
Yeah,
yeah.
consolidate right now. So, when it goes up, to keep going up, you need to collect.
So,
I
so
mean,
you are a liquidity grab trader, Mustafa? Okay. Mm.
look, people, they don't believe this is the right terminology for it because they're and it's obvious everywhere. Electrical levels, they are all the same.
or the daily ATR.
Every day, it's not 5% from the current day ATR, not previous day. It's number 5,665. I believe there is gonna be equivalent line to this area with the EQ, which is gonna be within the 20,000 range, maybe 20,000, 9,050.
Then I exit. My position is because of the seller pressure.
I agree. It's the balance of the consolidation. And we still pressure, real pressure.
But again, yes, is hitting the danger zone.
That's what makes more decisions within these homes.
Exactly. But I see a short trade coming.
It's this one because of this momentum. 18,922, and it's only 7 points, 10 points maximum. Stops. If I lose these two, I'm not gonna lose at risk. It's like it's to be patient.
That's great, Mustafa.
He said here I had CTP multiple with YM CTP toolkit. See this is correlation or correlation multiple because this looks like a scalper signals.
The scalping is due to the low distance between the levels, guys. When
Yeah,
there's a low
yeah.
distance between the levels, uh, you expect more scalping opportunities. But if
He's showing
scalping
it.
is not your style, yeah,
He's
sorry.
showing this on sir. He's showing this on RTY, okay, and the signals looks amazing. Okay?
No, Mustafa, I created it.
Yes. Thank you, Marie.
Lucky I didn't trade my funded accounts because I was out of consistency. Any questions, guys? What's the probability of turning 530 red into 530 green?
Statistically, it's 50-50. It's 50-50. I believe.
Mustafa, do you
Yes.
want to show our audience the CTP signals? I
Yes.
mean, uh, look at this, guys. The CTP indicator is better than me, I think. Mustafa, what do you think?
I think you make it. So you and the indicator did the same. It's one package. Look, we have here this signal. Just wrote it out. You remember, doctor, when you said that we should be having a short signal?
Yeah. Hmm.
After you said this, you see?
Yeah.
So we have these two signals. This one was learned, this line, oh, because it was first touch for it during the day. Then see, this one is successful. This is one, two. Each one is having a huge move because this is the opening decision. This is to go to the home. That's why I'm saying that I will be placing my placing my order here. This one, like this one. These two example. That's why I was saying I would go short from here. I was speaking to the doctor, it could go up to the level of 5665. This is the signals of the day. If you just okay, take few signals out of this, okay, let's see from this line here, 614. Hmm. 47, this line is 51. Okay. My top loss here is 5 points, and my take profit is 10 points. That's because I'm using micros. If I'm using minis, I use it 3 points stop loss and 10 points take profit. Step five doesn't get there. So if I'm trading this, that's mean I would be getting here and I would step out with 5 points of profit, 6 points of profit. Um, filled or here filled, not even here. Because if they show up here early, put this in here, Nothing. So we got the signal, but no fill.
I wanted to go short here, but then I was out of consistency, so I did nothing. I know. Tell me about it. I have many, many accounts. They are stuck, not with 600, but 6,000.
I don't think I witnessed this. But simply, guys, okay, you can make easy. First, will be a losers, okay, but if you take it the way I drew it, like 1 to 3, 1 to 4, chin, 6 days, you can see that. Move on because it's part of the game. You know, we are traders, so we are the best losers. Mhm.
Oh, my losing trade, it was
Yeah,
a big drawdown, I think. Yeah, it was 500.
you could like $700 something. It turns out to be winning because when you win, how far you win, survive, your account will survive. He says this CTP toolkit is powerful, guys. I regret that I didn't get it before, wasting a lot of dollars on lagging indicators and prop accounts. But this is one of the lessons that I personally did and everyone did. Okay? It's really say, okay, this is expensive. I can't take discipline. It takes 6 months to change his habits as traders. Says if he's really genius, if he's really good, if he's really dedicated, takes like 2 to 3 years minimum to be successful. Because you need to fight these habits. At the beginning, you are gonna stumble in the wrong indicators, wrong strategy, be jumping from three to years.
The money back. He got the money back from the
Bank
program he paid
ongoing.
for.
Yes. Alexander Kuba, he's crushing it every day. $1,500 today. Bang ongoing. This guy is training 20 accounts every day, and he's making like 500 to 1,000 every day, using the same setups, using the same everything we do. It's instead of wasting time, energy, and trying to find an edge, it's
Now,
already there.
Lucky is saying, guys, if you read all my posts and if they help you to make a decision to get CTP program, you will thank me for being very detailed about it. I was prop firm's crash cow before getting CTP program, but now I'm confident it is a history. Thank you, Lucky. I know you've been following us for a while, and finally you registered for the program, and we are happy that you're satisfied with what you learn and what you use.
This is a chance. All what you need to do. This kind of business, we consider it one of the best ever existed. Because if you exert your efforts, it's you who's gonna collect the rewards, not one else.
Questions, guys?
Yeah,
Sorry.
please. Yeah, it's okay.
Questions? Or do you wanna see me keep trading maybe? I can do it. I can do more 2000 now if you want. Keep trading. How much you want me to do to make 2,000, 3,000? Tell me. I'll do whatever you ask me, I will do. 2,000? I'm tired of it, guys. It's not easy.
You put your limit order sub one, short. Go ahead.
Yeah, we don't provide trading advice. We are
Yes,
kidding.
yes, okay.
It's not a signal room and not a copy trading room. It's
It's right.
just to demonstrate
Yes.
know-how.
This is the super CTP, another indicator. I know multi has. I don't know if Max is with us on the CTP mentorship. So,
You got answers already?
yeah, I think the student to really utilize should do this CTP. You can use it immediately. Probably. Just CTP indicator. This is from the toolkit, the CTP mentorship, included in the CTP mentorship. So it's separate thing. This is
Guys, who want me to keep trading? Raise your fingers. I wanna if there are more than 20 people, I will keep trading. Okay, Rob is number one. I need 20 people. 20 people. Only one. Okay, only one is not enough for me to keep trading. Who else? Okay.
Vincent said trade.
Okay. So tip okay, 3, 4,
No, five now.
5.
Six,
Oh my god. 6. Oh my god. My
seven. Okay, doctor, I'm not. Did you is yes? Okay, guys,
8?
now it's become no. We're heading to 11 now.
11?
What?
No.
Yeah, yes, and lucky 12. Okay, I'm getting something else today.
Okay, 12, not enough, guys. We need 20.
Bilal's. Bilal, okay.
Yeah, that's the beauty of our community.
Yeah.
Exactly.
CTP mentorship is something different than trigger point membership. Okay, so it's your friend Lucky. Okay, he says from Canada. Nice to meet you guys. We are really happy to have you.
Oh, how many people want to see me keep trading? I'm done, guys. I'm done. I'm done.
I think because we're speaking the morning and time.
Can you see my screen and understand why
Yes.
I'm done?
Mm.
For now, it's news.
Mm.
Yeah, it looks like. Right, guys. Okay.
Yeah, Trump bilateral lunch with Bernie. Interesting with session.
Guys, I have to go now. Thanks for attending us. I hope you enjoyed and you learned and you saw that even professional traders have losing trades and losing days. That's fine. It's all about risk management and probabilities.
It stopped.